Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. This is gonna be so very good.
Hello, my wonderful friends and lovely family. I am back with another amazing video. For this episode, we will be having a bit of a story time where you will get an opportunity to get to know me a little bit more. For those of you who are familiar with these stories, you can go down to memory lane with me and definitely have a laugh or a cry. Anyways, on the menu tonight is fried fish, Escovite style, with fried dumplings and some pepper shrimp. So let's just get into the video, enjoy, and I'll see you at the table. Anyways, I want to talk to you and tell you about some food situations or foodations. I make that up. That happen to me or what I have witnessed growing up. So the first little mishap that came to mind. This is funny. Sunday night we had a little, what do you call it, a ritual? I don't know. It was something that we did every Sunday. We would buy ice cream from Creamy, and Creamy used to come to the square and I swear every night he would come to the square and he would toot his horn. It's like pricky, 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 something like that. So all on a dance posse, remember Creamy? And so when we hear that, we would, as kids, we would sit on the veranda waiting to hear the little bike coming up, you know, and hear the toot of that horn. And trust me, big people, little people, everybody run gone buy ice cream. So now me get the ice cream, and I'm the type of person, I used to be afraid of the dark. And so because it was pitch black that night, I just remember it was so dark, and I come from South Manchester, and so when it's nighttime, it's pitch black, like almost like a power cut. If you're not immediately in the square, like you know, just a few minutes, not even minutes, a few seconds out of the square, it's pitch darkness. I don't remember if it's the same thing right now, but I just remember it's just dark. And so me now I run, go home because I'm afraid. I'm about me to. Listen, there was a little bump in the middle of the road, the driveway to go up to our house. It was just like a rock, just peeking up, like, you know, just peeking up, and nobody felt the need to either knock it down or whatever. We just walk around it. But anyways, going back, I should have probably cracked that rock and level it out. Anyways, me buck my foot. I get a piece of buck toe. And me and the ice cream, went. Listen, I pick up the ice cream with the gravel in it. And even though I tried to savage what was eatable, it was a horrible and sad day for me. Because you wait for creamy for the whole week. It's like waiting for Christmas. And the ice cream just chow. I don't even know if I was able to go back and get another one. I don't remember anything after that. I think I was just vexed. Well, so that was a food situation. All right, another story. The dumpling good enough. Maybe I should talk about this dumpling and me turn around and bun up the dumpling, but you already know that from the intro. Anyways, this is good. My next situation, it didn't happen to me, but it happened to this little Rasta boy. I never know him. This is a sweet story. It never sweet for him, but it's one that was lodged in my memory. I hope I meet him one day. I don't even remember. I don't even know his name. Anyways, maybe if you see this video, big up to yourself. So, there's this place called Clips. And myself and my uncles went up there. They had some kind of a garden up there. They used to farm things, and they had some of the best mangoes up there and hogberry. But let me tell you, mosquito would yum you to pieces. Because our family have properties there, a property up there somewhere. So anyways, they had a little shed, and so we went up there. Now I think it was me, my cousin, I don't remember who else, right? But it was a bunch of us, and we went up there, and I don't know if it was my cousin or my uncle. I don't know if it was Bill or Dumba. I don't remember who, but one of them. And they were cooking some callaloo and dumpling and yam and gone provision and stuff like that. Cook down the callaloo with tomato and what have you. And so they share out the food now. And I guess the young Ras, me don't know if it's because we were there, he was nervous. Me said the man plate drop out in hand. Oh my God. I don't even think I could look at him. I was so ashamed for him. But may I tell you, that was something else. It's not funny. I don't even remember. I think he tried to brush off the just like me and the ice cream. You know, he tried to savage what left, try to dust off the dirt, and it was just such a situation for him. But anyways, let's try this fish before it turns into a foodation. It's good. It is good. It is good, good, good. Mm-mm. Wow. Mmm. It's crunchy. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. It's very bony, so excuse me picking up bones out of my mouth. But those of you who eat Snapple, especially the little tiny ones, you know it's very bony. I'm trying to think of another story to tell you while I'm on here. I think 3 stories will be good. But I'm gonna end it in a good note. I'm still thinking. If I was a computer, you'd just say processing, processing. Oh. Not that one, maybe another one. This is so good. Oh my word. This is so good. You know what? I will share this one. I was contemplating whether I should share it or not. But since I'm eating fish, I think it's appropriate. Hey baby, want some? There you go, my sweetie. Mm. You like it? Oh, you can see it. Yeah, you want more? No problem. There you go. Is there anything in there? Oh, you can have it. All right. I think this one made the cut and it's appropriate. If you've heard me say this story already, please forgive me. Sometimes I just don't remember what I've said previously. So if you hear it again, hey Baba, here, sweetie. How can you eat faster than me? Hmm? How you eat faster than me, boy? All right, so I don't remember how old I was, but I know I wasn't 5. I must have been between 10 and 12, around there, I think. And so my grandma used to go to the fish market and buy fish. And from where I come from, she would go to the seaside. And normally when people go to the seaside, they come home with a variety of fish. And so different kinds, parrot, snapper, winchman. I saw a name, winchman, Frenchman. Tell me in the comments, because a long time I left Jamaica. Doctor. eel, all sort of sitting, right? I know eel used to be one of my mom's favorite. And so, grandma fry up the fish, and I'm eating a parrot. But normally I don't like parrot because I find that it was too bony. And the bone went to my throat, guys, and it was stuck. And I could just feel like I was using my tongue, like, and I could just feel it, and it was just sticking. I am telling you, seconds felt like minutes. Minutes felt like hours. I was so distraught. I just remember, here, baby. Yeah, man, go away. Yeah, man. I just remember that feeling of, oh my God, is this thing gonna get out? You know, when am I gonna be free from this? And they said eat dumpling. I think what I ate a piece of hand bun. That's how, you see me love hand bun. Hand bun, I'm a friend. And so I eat some hand bun, and I think not long after that it just passed. And boy, that was a foodation. Crazy situation. And so when I eat fish, I try to be very careful, because it is not a good feeling. It's just like something is lodged there and you can't do nothing about it. You can't push your finger. Oh, well, some people push their finger and yank it. I think so. But in my case, nothing I did was working, and I felt so helpless. So if you know any tips for people when bone is stuck at their throat, what to do, put it in the comment section. Because if it ever happened to you, put your story down in the comment section. In a nice at all. The shrimp is good. Everything on this plate is just good. I can't complain. I literally can't. Can't complain. Well, I think that's enough story for today. Let me know in the comment section if there's something you'd like to see me cook. I'll try my best. I hope I don't burn it up. But life happens. Even though I burn, me not lie, it's sweet. The fish sweet, everything just tastes good. Natoya. Oh, Nathaniel. Make her eat and go take care of the baby, yeah? Like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. And I will see you in the next video.